everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your phone, your Android phone, says no command. So I'm just going to turn off my phone right now and then get into the recovery screen by pressing the volume down button and the power button when my phone is restarting. Now to get into the recovery mode, it's pretty easy. Just hold those buttons down and it should pop open. And when it's in the no command screen, all you have to do is hold down the power button and tap the volume up button and it should work. So let's go to recovery mode now and I'll show you that it works. Now it's going to restart into it. So you just hold down the power button, tap the volume up button, and boom, we have the different options now for recovery. So we can scroll through this using the volume down. So maybe you want to wipe your data, factory reset. Now just hit the power button and you should be able to select it. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.